Hey guys, let's see how to automatically scroll any of list in SwiftUI to a specific index. So you might have like face it on most of the time. Like let's say it's a chat application or it's like a feed where user want to search it or anything else. So here is a normal example. Let's say I have around 99 items on the list and I want to jump to let's say 50. See, it's 50, right? And on top of it, let's say, for example, I want to jump at 99. Wait, 99. Again, I want to jump back to 12. It works pretty great, right? And at the same time, it's scratch proof. Let's say, for example, if I want to jump at 101. So there is no index on 101, right? But the moment you click on it, it doesn't work. And even it's not crashing the application. And on top of it, it does not give fatal error, index out of range or something like that. It's pretty cute. And I'm pretty sure like you will learn this in just 5 seconds. It's just one line of code and you're good to go. So once you initialize the project, you will get something like this, which is nothing but a boilerplate codes. So what we'll do is we'll remove all this and then here we will define scroll view reader. Okay. And scroll view reader will give me a result of proxy. And inside the proxy, what I'll do is I'll create a VStack. Okay. And this VStack will have a list from 0, let's say, till 100. Okay. Every list need to have its own ID. So let's create an ID which will have its own self. So basically this self can be modified if you have any particular model from which you are showing the data, but I guess you will get the gist of it. Okay. And then inside this we'll have our items. Okay. Item which our ID, let's say it's I. So far so good. And same will have the IDs of I. Okay, so we got our items, right? Now, let's say, for example, we want to jump, like auto scroll at certain moment of time, certain moment of not time, but at index. So what I'll do is we'll create a stack, which will have, let's say, text field. Okay, this text field will have jump to option and we'll take one text, right? Again, I have to create a state variable for that because it's bindable stuff. State var input text. This will be a string. Right now, I'm just using it for like this. But don't use this kind of name, okay? And the same ways like string won't be available here. So yeah. So let's give it a padding a little bit of leading, let's say 20. Good to go. And again, a button so that we can generate the action on top of it. To jump. Okay. And this will have my proxy dot. So focus on this line of code. Okay. So this proxy is the same. So one line of code which will jump to a certain index, it's just this. So main line of code is this one. So focus on this, okay? Proxy dot scroll to what ID? The ID will be nothing but a number. So here I'm just adding as like input text, but you can add any integer, whatever you guys want. Okay. Then again, I'll give a padding of 20. So I guess we are done. So let's say, for example, now test it. We want to jump to 55. Good to go. We want to jump to 104. There is no 104 because it's still 100, right? It's so safe. Like it won't even crash the application and nothing will work. Let's try with some string. Good to go. Again, I want to a specific index of 76. Good, right? So yeah, this is a small my first YouTube video. Give whatever feedback you guys want or to see our next video of. Hope that helps. Peace. Thank you.